She screamed at my daddy because I'm an aggressive breed. At the park minding my own business, playing fetch while on a leash, when this lady ran over and started shouting at my daddy. He's aggressive, dangerous, bound breed, and likely to bite someone. My daddy explained to her this was all incorrect, and that I was the opposite to her opinion. I laid down. She looked at me and asked if she could stroke me. Can't change people, but you can affect a change in them by your behavior.